I'm about to do a Mourner shoot and I only have 2 hours to shoot it. This is the location. It's very pink and pretty and girly. I'm not entirely sure where I'm gonna be shooting yet, so I'm gonna try to shoot in a few different areas. I'm gonna try to do it sort of similar to this photo shoot that blew up pretty big on Instagram. All right, I'll see y'all at the location. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is perfect. I only had 2 hours and this was a very expensive location, so I was stressed. I started off by shooting in the bedroom area and got some shots of the mourner lazing on the bed and some of them at the vanity looking incredibly handsome. This genuinely might be the most stressful shoot I've ever done. Then I moved to the dining room to get shots with a tea set and this cool carousel horse. I ended it off with the kitchen and taking some shots of the keychain plushie since I got an additional week to sell it on Makeship. Alright, I'm back. I am so out of breath. I feel like I was in like a trance while I was shooting. I really hope I got some good shots. I guess we're gonna find out. I edited the photos and here are the final shots.
Much better far than Trilby last summer.